guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to bring you an unboxing. I don't do unboxings very often, but this is a big one today. I talked about like upgrading my devices a while ago, and finally I have. You guys know that I use my iPhone for recording and editing and everything in between. So I finally was able to get me a 13-inch MacBook Pro model. I got this yesterday. I tried to be patient so I could do the unboxing with you guys. When I received the box yesterday, it took every level of discipline I had to not open it. So today, this is what we are doing. Oh, Apple makes it real easy, y'all. This is my true reaction because I have not opened it. It's so small. You would think that this is it. You would think that it would be bigger, but it's 13 inches and it's very compact and not as big as I anticipated it was gonna be. So how excited do you guys get when you have to open up like a new thing? Whether it's makeup, clothing, just anything. And it comes with 2 items for the amount of money you pay. It comes with the USB charge cable, and it also comes with the USB adapter. It comes with the Apple stickers. Like, where do people usually put these? Like, what do you all do with those? Like, do people even use them? I mean, I don't know. Where do people put this? Let me know in the comment section down below. And there's a nice little manual to kind of get you started. Back in the day, like whenever you received a new product, the manual was this thick. This is like pretty much 1, 2, 3. It welcomes you to MacBook Pro and tells you about the general specifics. So, and you have this bad boy, which is extremely thin, pencil thin. So this weighs about 3 pounds. Open it up, and it comes with a protective sleeve in here. Ooh, and it turns right on. Wow, this is nice. It's so sleek. I love the design already. Very sleek, very nice.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, return. Let's go. I did not even press the power button, but it's on. The design is very much like what I'm used to whenever I use an Apple product, so nothing too different here. With Apple, the authentication process is super good, I feel like, because it sends you a code so you could sync either your devices or make sure that you are the one accessing that information. So I really appreciate that. For those of you who are super techy out there and the details do matter, this comes with a quad-core Intel processor. So the Intel processor comes with a 4.7 GHz. I'm guessing that these features are way more advanced than the prior models. It also has Retina display with True Tone technology, so your images are definitely gonna be sharper, better, brighter, bolder. One of the other features I'm excited about is the touch bar and the Touch ID display. So the buttons are really like soft to the touch, I feel like. I like it. This computer also has 2 finishes. You can get the silver or the space gray. So the camera quality on there is still not as great as you would expect considering it's a Pro model, in my personal opinion. I mean, I get 4K with my iPhone 7, and this is a Pro in 2020. The FaceTime HD is still at 720p. Not very good quality if you ask me, but it's all good because I got this computer mostly for editing purposes and kind of like, you know, having something that is similar to the operating system that I'm used to. So far, I'm liking how it looks. I like the feel. It's very sleek, very classy, light, and very thin. So my first impressions are like, I'm liking and appreciating the physical component. So for my personal computer, I got the base model as far as like the memory that it comes with and everything else. You can customize it to get more memory, more more speed. Obviously with Apple, you guys know that it will be more money. It doesn't really come with any other accessories except the ones I showed you guys earlier. You can add a protective sleeve to the computer and that will cost you a cool $179. Then you can add a card reader to that, USB-C card reader, and that will cost you $39. Having the mouse is super important to you. You can add the Magic Mouse too for a cool $99. Like, yeah. So anyway, I am super excited to see what all these features look like. I'm excited to learn more about the MacBook Pro and all that I need to discover to make my editing life a little better. I can see right off the bat that for iMovie there are way more buttons available than on my phone, so that's kind of exciting. But because I've already kind of mastered the art over there, I am guessing that it's gonna be pretty similar over here. So this is looking good. I cannot wait to use it. So that is it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to let me know what to do with, if you guys know, what do people do with this? For real, because I don't know. I always receive them whenever I have a new Apple device and they stay in the box, honestly. So don't know about that. But that is it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.